Hi guys, little present for my daughter. She knows I like taking things apart. She was taking this to the recycling centre, but she's given it to me instead. Just a quick demo, see if I can get this on here. So that's running on a 2S LiPo, so 7.5 volts. You're not going to be flying aeroplanes with that fan, it's not that sort of fan. But you could probably push a little car along with it. And you could definitely put a propeller, underwater propeller on it and use it for a boat. Well, I did say we could try the fan to drive a car or power a car. So I've just taped the fan and the tube onto this rubber band powered car. Put a connector on the motor, so we'll connect it up to a little 2S LiPo battery and see if it's got the power to run it. I'll go wide angle. Hang on, the wheels are rubbing. Right, off we go. Yeah, only just enough power to push it, but it did it. That was just a 2S LiPo. I think that motor could handle a 3S with no trouble whatsoever. So we could have got more power out of it, but that was enough for now. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.